In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to open a new Hulu account. If you're ready to dive into your favorite shows and movies, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to hulu.com. This is where you'll start the registration process for your new Hulu account. On the Hulu homepage, look for the Start Your Free Trial. Hulu often offers a free trial period for new users. So this is a great way to proceed. Hulu also offers various subscription plans, including options with or without ads. Review the available plans and select the one that best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click on the Select Plan button and choose Select. Now you'll need to create your Hulu account. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and then click continue. Make sure to use an email address you check regularly, as Hulu will send you important information there. Next, you'll need to provide your payment information. Enter your credit or debit card details, or choose an alternative payment method if available. Hulu requires this information to set up your subscription, even if you're starting with a free trial. After entering your payment details, you'll be prompted to set up your Hulu profile. You can also add a profile picture, your name, and customize the preferences. And review your plan and payment details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're ready, click on Submit or Confirm button to finalize your subscription. And congratulations, you've successfully created a new Hulu account.